Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change age on TikTok in 2026. But first, check our special offer in the description. Let's get started. So, if you want to update your birthday here on TikTok, well, there are a few things that you may need to know. Now, we all know that TikTok here does not allow you to manually change or update your birthday, so this would restrict your, let's just say, your viewing experience, so you may not be able to see certain contents here if you're not of legal age and if you've incorrectly entered the age on the TikTok app. So in this case, you want to go open up TikTok here, go to your account by clicking on profile at the bottom right here, and click on the three bar icon at the top right of your screen. Now from here, you want to go ahead and choose the option here that says settings and privacy. Now from here, you want to go to the very bottom of your options here, and you want to go and click on help center. Now, you want to go and click on chat with us. Now, from here, this will open up the chat or TikTok support page. You want to go and click on account. Now, from here, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and basically choose the option here that says, I want to update my birthday. But just in case you don't see it in here, you can go ahead and just type this directly into your in the send a message section. Let's just say, I want to update my birthday, and just click on send, and the automated support on TikTok would actually send or give you the option here. As you can see, if you believe there's an error with your date of birth, you can just click on the edit date of birth here and just basically select the correct age. Now, they may require you further information for certain methods, so this might take a bit longer. So they may require you to submit an ID just to verify your age. So in this case, you go and choose your birthday here, click on confirm, and that should update your birthday. And that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.